Today is the 21st of October 2021.
Asuntoskeittiö Väinönkulma.
The old alarm bell. It's original.
Yeah.
Beautiful. This is the same building, but two different modernization.
Yeah.
Stekisei was modernized by Suomen Hissiroba team in 1995. I've been there before, but only today I know there is the lamp indicator feature on the buttons. And this was modernized later. This one has 4 floors, also built by Graham in 1936. Turning 85 years old this year, in 2021, and the capacity is 3 coaches of the workers with 4 floors. And it was modernized in 2005. 10 years later, the same number is here to make the one. Probably early 2005.
Yeah.
And it's going to be inspected in 2023, but look at that, it looks like this panel is from the 1990s. Also, it was modernized in 1995, but then again in early 2005 for some strange reason. Maybe because this was not working so well.
Yeah.
The buttons are beeping. And this entirely Helsinki has for Finland. Also this has 2 rides. Even though these are not the best possible Kone buttons, but still.
Yeah.
Late Kone. I like the smell in here also.
Same.
We will do a silent ride.
Isptit vaan kiva ispittaa. Mä en tiedä, pääkapselta hissikeskus.
Right, that even though this has only 4 floors, there's still an elevator here.
Yeah.
But it's also in the center district of Helsinki, so of course